know you're everything that I've been looking for. And
Guys, Merry Christmas to all.
and could not
Ang
ask for
simple
more.
lang, guys.
So it's only
So, may red wine tayo and white wine.
on the line. Hold on,
So,
I'm
kahit
gonna
paano,
need
I miss my children. Dalawa lang kami,
But
guys.
if I ever fall in
Just to
love again,
celebrate Christmas
sometime when this
holidays.
broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the
It's 11:09. I hope you enjoy your Christmas celebration, guys. Sorry. Actually, dito ako sa taas kumain. So, yung small room, ginawa ko siyang computer room and dining area for me. Ayan, guys. I hope you enjoy your Noche Buena, guys. So for now, yan, tikman ko muna tong aking iniinom, guys. Merry Christmas to all. In advance, Happy New Year. Bye for now.